Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just giving you a mobile mechanic tip. If you have a Subaru Outback, this is the 2011, you want to know when the world is the parking brake. You just come up under here and you press that button. So I'm going to press it and the parking brake is on. And as you can see, you just push it. Sits right there. Push on and off. This is just a mechanic tip. A lot of people do not know where that's at. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave positive comments and positive advice. I love to learn, and everybody else does too. Thank you.